Okay, fine. We are going to character eyes here. Okay, this character is here. Okay. After the circle, this is step 1. Okay. Then you can do this. In this circle, this is circle, right? This circle, I just create one and 2 line. So this line for eyes, this line for nose, this line for the forehead. That much is forehead. Okay, very simple. Make a circle, and after the circle you just make it 1, divide it, and here in this line, okay, in this line, here you can make 1 line for here, this line for eyes, and this line for the nose. Okay, aram se. So now what I'm doing here from this line, okay, this line I just add it the same distance, I just add it over here. Okay, the same distance, like this, and this, I just add over here. Okay, I just make it, see, I just add here. So I got some oval shape. Okay, I got some shape like a oval, like this. Okay, like this shape. Fine. So now this should be oval kind of. So now this part, this part, okay, this line, this part, this is for the eye, my ear part. I create the ear over here. Okay, fine. So this is my, and here I can make it the neck parts. Okay, this is the neck part. Okay, neck parts like this. Now after that, okay, you just go ahead over here. Here, this is the eyes line. No, this is the eyes line, so you can create eyes over here. So my basic part is done. Okay, my basic part is done. Now I can create that secondary parts. Okay, so it's like from circle to create, okay, the character. First of all, we are creating this, and second, we are creating the oval. This shapes like a oval kind of. Okay, mind it. Fine. Now I just create over here. This is the eyes line, so I just make it eyes over here. Okay, 1 and 2. This is the eyes position. This is the eyes line, so I can make it. Actually, this is the eyebrow line, so I can make it eyebrow over here. Okay, here eyebrow, and here eyebrow, like this position is eyebrow position. But before eyebrow, I can just make first the Mulan eyes. Okay, like this. like this. Okay, eyeball. Mulan is very nice character. Upper line should be a little bit of darker. Okay, lower line little bit of light. Okay, so here the position of another eyes, and eyes is very very simple, just like this and this. Okay, like this. Here I can make it the Mulan. I just erase before, after that I erase the eye, all those inside the line. Okay, before, not now. I just first create these things. Okay, nose is very less, just this is nose line, but we are making very less. This is nose line, nose end over here. We can make is like this. Okay, just this is a nose line. Okay, it's very simple nose line like this we are making. Okay, now after that the mouth. Okay, so here the 1, 2, 3 divisions I do this over here. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this is I create over here mouth. This is the mouth line. Okay, if you break this line 1, 2, 3, this is the mouth line. So I can create the mouth over here. Okay, Mulan is a very always smiley, nice character, right? Yes, so I can create this. I can make the leaves over here. Teeth.
I'm trying to fix my camera.
Yeah, it's happened, but I know, I feel that. I feel the issue. This has happened. Make it slowly. Take time. Just make it nicely. Just make some second shading over here. So I just put it light over here. Can create nice line. Fresh. You can create some shadings going here. This Mulan here is a black. I like the black here. Like this.